Today I'm going to be looking at a hand wave activated closet light strip. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In this video, I'm going to show you what's inside the box, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. Well, this is an electrical one. Okay, I thought we had to charge this, but we do not. That's nice. Inside the box, you're going to have the hardware to mount it. You're going to have the instruction manual, and then you're going to have the light strip itself. They do give you two separate ways to mount this. You can either mount it using the hardware, which actually screws in, or you can mount it using these little sticky tabs. I'm going to go with the sticky tabs. That way I can move it if I'd like to, a little easier than if I had installed the brackets. So I'm actually going to put it under this cabinet, which is over, by the T area. And you just install the little sticky tabs right here. And then you peel off this backing part. We're just going to stick it underneath of the cabinet. Okay, and now if we wave our hand, the light comes on and illuminates the T area. Whoops, there we go. I do like the wave feature. That's really easy, and it lights this area up perfectly. The one thing I wish it came with was a cord organizer, something that you could ravel up underneath the other side of the cabinet to hide the cord just a little bit better, but I was able to secure it myself.